Welcome to the VS Criminal Defense Attorneys podcast, providing an informative resource on criminal law with a specific focus on sex crimes. From protecting yourself from false accusations to understanding the exact boundaries of the law, being informed is always the best first line of defense. This podcast series is reviewed and approved by attorney Michelle Villanueva-Skora.
In this episode, we'll review what are the most important reasons to consider seeing and consulting with an Arizona sex crime attorney to battle sexual assault allegations. Typically, you know ahead of time that some allegations of sexual assault or other sex crimes have been made against you. Some people try to wait and see what will happen, but doing so just puts them at greater risk of serious legal trouble. The time to consult with an Arizona sex crime attorney is as soon as you know that trouble is brewing. Even if all you do is consult with the attorney and learn about your legal rights and options, you'll be in a safer position. Here are a few of the most important reasons why you need to consult with a Phoenix sex crime attorney as soon as you know that you might face charges. First, know that investigations stretch over weeks and even months. You may not be formally charged yet, but it could take many months until you are. In the meantime, the investigation and the accusation will continue. Law enforcement officials will interview people you know and potential witnesses. They will look for evidence, collect documentation, and gather anything else they can to build the case against you. If you wait until the charges are formally filed, you will have lost many opportunities to protect yourself. You will face the charges in a weaker position. By contacting a sex crime attorney as soon as you can in the process, you will have someone on your side working to protect your interests. Your attorney will gather evidence and testimony in your favor, research your best legal options, and even talk with law enforcement officers to get information that can help your case. By waiting to talk with an attorney, you start your criminal defense at an extreme disadvantage. Next, you need an attorney so he or she can coordinate your arrest. If you are charged, you will almost certainly be arrested. If you are not prepared for that, you could face embarrassment when police show up to your place of work and arrest you in front of your coworkers, or come to your house to arrest you in front of the neighbors. Even if you are never convicted of the charges, people will hardly forget that scene. Your name will forever be linked to allegations of sexual assault. By working with a Scottsdale sex crime attorney as early as possible, you may be able to avoid that. Your attorney may be able to coordinate the terms of your arrest, potentially even arranging for you to arrive at the police station or jail yourself at a predetermined time. Lastly, you need to understand that penalties can be severe and long-lasting. The penalties for a sex crime conviction can be severe. You can serve jail time, be ordered to pay restitution, perform community service, and more. You'll likely be registered as a sex offender. Being on that registry will make it hard for you to get a job, rent an apartment, get professional licensure, and much more. Maintaining friendships will be harder, and people will want to disassociate from you due to your reputation. Working with a Queen Creek sex crime attorney as early in the process as you can will improve your chances of avoiding conviction so that you can avoid these long-term damage to your reputation. As soon as you know that allegations are being made against you, find the best sex crime attorney you can and start talking about your legal options. You'll be able to build a stronger defense, and you'll have better chances of winning the case. Remember, it is in your best interest to contact a top-rated sex crime lawyer in Mesa. At VS Criminal Defense Attorneys, we talk with our clients about the allegations, take the time to understand the relationship with the victim, and determine if the victim had any motive to lie. We will review the accusations against the client and his or her best options. After speaking to the client, we examine the police reports, scrutinize witness testimony, forensic evidence, psychological histories, and any other evidence that can assist us in building the best individualized defense for our clients. Our Mesa sex crimes attorneys will consider every angle to ensure that the prosecutor and law enforcement officials did their jobs correctly. We will work tirelessly to protect your rights and freedom. VS Criminal Defense Attorneys are some of the best sex crime attorneys in Arizona. Our small law firm provides big results. At our firm, you can work directly with an attorney to develop a personalized strategy specific to your circumstances. Your attorney will work aggressively to defend you and protect your freedom. Our team is just as dedicated to your case whether you're facing misdemeanor or felony charges. We offer appointments around the clock, and we offer free case consultations. Contact an attorney by calling our Mesa or Gilbert office today. Have the best criminal defense attorney team on your side. For a free, confidential, and no-obligation case evaluation, contact us today. Call us at 480-923-9001 or visit us online at vsattorney.com.
Thank you for listening to the VS Criminal Defense Attorneys podcast. VS Criminal Defense Attorneys are focused on offering clients personalized service and aggressive representation. Our attorneys are passionate about individual rights, government accountability, and personal freedom. No matter what you are charged with, our criminal defense attorneys will be there to guide you. Call today to schedule your strategy session. It is time to fight back.